Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you can't upload photo on your Facebook, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi and just try to turn off and turn on again your Wi-Fi. And if you're using mobile data, just turn off and turn on your mobile data. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just find here shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. And if it doesn't help you, you can try to check updates for your app store. So just go to app store and just go to search tab, just go to search, and in search tab you need to write Facebook. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install Facebook on your iPhone. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.